Running off standard shock compressed air, the Personnel Cleaning Station pairs a proprietary on-demand air agitator brush attachment with a high-efficiency pneumatic vacuum. The thumb switch activated air agitator loosens and lifts particles as the vacuum sucks them away safely and effectively. With no motor to burn out, the PCS is virtually maintenance-free. The vertical mounting system, VMS, mounts on any vertical surface, saving valuable factory floor space. Say goodbye to high-maintenance equipment. This unit boasts a motor-free design, making it virtually maintenance-free. Featuring a 5.5-gallon chemical-resistant polyethylene container, a high-performance cartridge filter, a flexible vacuum hose, and more, the PCS comes fully equipped to tackle any cleaning task. Compact and efficient, the PCS is a must-have for any industrial setting. Purchase your personnel cleaning station today and keep your work personnel clean and safe. Visit our website for more information.